Okay guys, welcome back. It's Cody here. I'm going to show you guys via the Sheet Music Plus Affiliates program how to put the banners on your website. So I'm going through here. I'm in my my Easy Rebates or my affiliate account here. So these are the banners. You go back to your home page for the Easy Rebates and the affiliates, and you'll have on the left hand side banners and buttons. So you're going to want to take this, let's say we want a 125 by 125 length times width banner on our site. Well, let's make sure we can select through all of these through different publishers that publish with S&P Press or Sheet Music Plus, or we can do the regular Sheet Music Plus Shop Now buttons. Let's go and put these, I'm going to say get HTML, and you're just going to copy and paste, Command C, just copy the HTML and paste it, Command V on Mac or Control V on Windows. Just copy the HTML above and paste it directly on your web pages. So I'm going to go back to my website. Here's the live site, and here is the dashboard, site actions. I can go ahead and edit. Now, any other website that you have, either a Bandcamp or something else, will have different things for you to go through in order to put your music on. So what we want to do is we want to kind of make sure that we know at least how to put the banners on our own website, because I've done that with websites that I've owned in the past, and it's usually pretty easy. All you do is copy and paste it. Let me do this. Now you're gonna want to find, I'm trying to find the not the page design, but I'm trying to manage pages. And we're supposed to be able to manage them. I don't want to add pages, I just want to manage. And I just want to go to this page. What if I go to this page? You can add a section to the page. Now, I can add a banner right here. You can either do a product slider, or you can do an image, or you can do media gallery, video, image. HTML embed is what we want, and you're going to drag that. You're going to click it first, and then you're going to drag that section, that HTML embed section, onto the release to drop section here. So you're going to drag and drop it, and we're going to say shop also with Hang on. Sheet Music Plus. We can get rid of a subtitle. And then there's your embed. Embed code. You're going to type the HTML box. Make sure your embed code is pasted, or copied rather. And then right here where it says paste your code, there you go. That should work. Okay. So let's see if it will go to it. Because you can actually, yep, and that's how it looks right there. And people can click this banner and go straight to Sheet Music Plus from your website. So this is good for composers, it's good for arrangers, it's good for those who just need some extra affiliate commissions on this. Okay, one of the things that you can try is going under your artist profile, and there are several links that you can use to URLs to get your links up there. Down here, Bandcamp album URL. You might want to be careful with this because if you can, you should be able to put this here. This may or may not work. It just depends. You may have to have Sheet Music Plus as one of your income streams, and then have Bandcamp as your other. Because as I try to do this here, it doesn't let me do more than a few characters. So from this, I would say you can try it, but it's to an album on Bandcamp. It's not to an actual the box or banner that can actually be created. So from Sheet Music Plus to that, the boxes and banners only actually work, in my experience, on like the Wix related websites, the Weebly, WordPress, that kind of thing. Bandcamp is more centralized to showcasing your albums for people to buy and listen to. But I would suggest going to get help on this under the Bandcamp help, and see if you can find some answers on there. But as we've tried to do that here, it doesn't seem to work. But on a regular website, this will work. Okay? So if you follow the step-by-step process that I've given you, it will help.